Hey, what's up guys? How is everyone doing? We are back with modifying the KTM Duke 250, and today I've got something which has been on my mind for a long time, and that is replacing the stock exhaust with this SC Project exhaust. It's a replica obviously. Plus the reason why I was waiting was I was not able to get one of these. This is called the bend pipe, which is going to go where the stock pipe goes. So I will play the audio clip of before and after as well, so that you can basically make up your mind and see how this sounds versus the stock exhaust. So let's get this video started. Hey, what's up guys? So we've removed the exhaust, the stock exhaust.
Yes.
When you asked me if doing prison was the hard part, I spent over 12 years in prison. In 18 years, I did 12 total. And it wasn't the hard part, wasn't going to prison, it was getting out and trying to be part of society.
This was very tiring, not as easy as expected, but we finally mounted the exhaust. Now let's hear how it sounds. If you're liking this video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Also, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I have a lot of videos, a lot of DIY mods coming your way, so make sure you subscribe. So this is it, guys. This is me riding with the brand new exhaust for the first time, and I can hear it even inside my empty helmet, the Revenge. Let me know, what do you guys think? See, that's on the 4th gear. Obviously there has to be traffic as always. 3rd gear. So I believe in loud pipes save lives. It's just that now, before whenever I would ride my bike, it would be like I was in stealth. In fact, the Duke 200 guys used to tell me that my exhaust, like, they can't even hear my bike. And what was it? It was too silent. You've heard it. So let me know down in the comments, what do you think? Also, let me just try to pass this traffic. Riderholic is behind me. We're speaking on I'm speaking via my intercom. He's speaking via his helmet. And if you're interested in buying this, I will flash the number. The store is called M Power, and they have got all sorts of motorcycle accessories, including this same exhaust. Let him know that Phantom Rides sent you. So thank you guys. I will catch you in the next vlog.
जायचं का तिकडे जायचं का